Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Spreaker login problems, account and app errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login problems with Spreaker, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issues. First, check your internet connection to ensure you have a stable network. Next, verify that you are entering the correct username and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After resetting, try logging in again with your new password. If you are still unable to access your account, clear your browser's cache and cookies. For mobile app users, ensure that you are using the latest version of the Spreaker app. You can check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. If the app is up to date, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. This can help resolve any app-specific errors or glitches. If you are encountering an error message, note it down for further help. Visit Spreaker's Help Center or support page for additional troubleshooting steps. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Spreaker's customer support team. Provide them with detailed information about the error and any steps you've already taken. They can guide you in resolving your login issues effectively. Once the problem is fixed, make sure to secure your account with a strong password. Regularly updating your password can prevent future login issues. You are now ready to use Spreaker without any login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.